What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is Matt, and I am the Patriot Stacker. Here on the channel, we discuss all things precious metals and other investments as well. And in today's video, we are diving into a company that's just recently gone public, USGO. They are a subsidiary of a company we've discussed here on the channel before, GoldMining Inc. They've just recently launched an IPO and are trading on the Nasdaq under ticker symbol USGO. Their sole initiative is to advance and unlock value of the Whistler Gold Copper Project in Alaska. Whistler is a large gold and copper exploration project located 105 miles or 170 kilometers northwest of Anchorage, Alaska, covering a comprehensive regional land package totaling 53,700 acres or 217 square kilometers. The Whistler project has indicated resources of 3 million gold equivalent ounces and inferred resources of 6.5 million gold equivalent ounces. Mineral resources have been estimated at 3 gold copper deposits, the Whistler, the Raintree West, and Island Mountain, and several additional geophysical and geochemical targets. Anomalies contain mineralized drill intersections that require follow-up drilling. The Fraser Institute Annual Survey of Mining Companies in 2021, which was published in April of 2022, shows that Alaska ranks number 2 worldwide for Best Practices Mineral Potential Index, geological potential. Also that Alaska ranks number 4 for overall investment attractiveness. So here's the summary of their IPO, their initial public offering. They were originally offered at $10 per unit, with each unit consisting of 1 common share and 1 warrant to purchase a common share, looking for the amount of $20 million. Each whole warrant entitles the holder to purchase 1 common share at a price of $13 US per share for a period of 3 years. The use of proceeds, the principal purposes of this offering are to provide capital to the company to carry out planned exploration and for general working capital purposes. They are listing on Nasdaq under ticker symbol USGO and their warrants under USGOW. And under book runners, it says Joint Book Runners Managers H.C. Wainwright & Co., BMO Capital Markets Corp., and co-managers Laurentian Bank Securities, Inc., and Sprott Capital Partners. USGoldMining's main project is the Whistler Project in Alaska. Here we see significant undeveloped gold-copper deposits with growth upside. The state of Alaska Mining claims 105 miles northwest of Alaska's largest city, Anchorage, fully permitted for exploration, and state Roads to Resources program to unlock mineral potential in the Alaska Range. So here we see USGoldMining's experienced leadership team. Their CEO is Tim Smith. He's a professional geoscientist with over 25 years of experience in mineral exploration and mining, a track record of discovery and mine development of major gold systems in Australia and Canada, with junior, mid-tier, and major mining companies, including Gold Corp and Newmont. He was previously vice president of exploration with Kaminak Gold Corp., where he led the field team to the discovery of the Coffee Gold deposit in Yukon, Canada. And here we have their chairman, Alistair Still, which we've talked about many times before. He is the CEO of GoldMining Inc., and the Director of Technical Services at Gold Royalty Corp., former Newmont Director of Corporate Development. He's a geologist with over 25 years of experience in corporate and project development, exploration, and mine operations with Gold Corp., Placer Dome, and Kinross. So here we have USGoldMining's investor highlights. They have a significant gold-copper project located in Alaska, which is the Whistler Project, and they say it's primed for rediscovery. Undeveloped projects of this scale are increasingly scarce. They have 3 million ounces of gold equivalent indicated and 6.4 million ounces gold inferred. They have multiple avenues of growth with an emerging mining district with significant exploration potential. They do have a strong technical team and management team with a track record of discovering and developing significant gold projects. And they do have a board, management, and shareholders with a great track record of accessing capital. They're permitted and ready to unlock value. They're ready to commence drilling very soon in the summer of 2023. And this is the first exploration of the Whistler project since 2011. Here we have a breakdown of the Whistler project mineral resource estimate. Large gold inventory with a significant copper component. Here we have 118.2 million tons indicated and 317 million tons inferred. That is, as you see here, 0.51 indicated for gold, 2.19 indicated for silver, 0.16 indicated for copper, and 0.79 for gold equivalent. And then contained metal, they have 1.94 million ounces of gold, 8.33 million ounces of silver, 422 million pounds of copper, and 2.99 million ounces of gold equivalent. The resource modeled from 70,000 meters of diamond core drilling. There's 3 deposits, the Whistler, the Raintree, and Island Mountain. Gold resources of 1.9 million ounces indicated and 4.7 million ounces inferred. Other copper resources of 422 million pounds indicated and 711 million pounds inferred. Exploration upside at multiple targets, and their effective date was September 22nd of 2022. The Whistler project has excellent potential for development. They're 105 miles northwest of Alaska's largest city of Anchorage. They're a short flight from Anchorage, Palmer, or Willow to an all-season airstrip. They also have a winter road for heavy and large equipment access, and the topography is amenable for exploration and future mine development. The Whistler property totals 377 claims over 53,700 acres. 100% owned mineral claims on state lands, and the Whistler project is fully permitted for exploration. They also have settled land title with Alaska Regional Native Corporations. They also have a proposal for an access road which will link the Whistler project directly with Port McKenzie. The port is ready built and underutilized, and it does follow the proposed Donlin gas pipeline in part. They have an $8.5 million budget for the West Susitna Access Road study being conducted by the AIDEA. The AIDEA has published several studies which demonstrate economic benefits for Alaska, with an ongoing evaluation of cultural and heritage sites, fish and wildlife habitats, engineering refinement, and alternative route analysis. U.S. GoldMining is lobbying to promote the road to be built, and they're partnered with other resource developers. U.S. GoldMining aims to minimize their environmental impacts and put safety first. With everything they do, they conduct business with integrity and hold themselves to the highest standards, employing responsible mineral exploration practices aligned to global best practices. Here we have a cross-section of the Whistler deposit, a robust high-grade core. This is a conceptual open pit design. In the green, you see it's the 0.3 to 0.5 of indicated gold equivalent. And in the orange, we have the 0.5 to 1.0. And in the fuchsia color, we have 1.0 to 2.0 of indicated gold equivalent. And then in the light purple color, we have the 2.0 and above. And as you see by the picture, this is a gorgeous part of the world. And to summarize up today's video, we show here the key investment highlights. The creation of U.S. GoldMining Inc. is to advance and unlock the value of the 100% owned Whistler project in Alaska. They have a significant undeveloped gold-copper deposit in North America with exploration upside. They also have state-led initiative to build the future access road, including investments of $8.5 million U.S. They also have a management team with a proven track record in exploration and resource development. And lastly, they have the exploration permit, the existing camp, and infrastructure, which all equals a quick startup. All right, so that's the video for today. We dove into US GoldMining Inc., a little bit who they are and what they do and where they currently sit in today's market. So if you're like me and you're into investing in precious metals and gold mining companies and looking for other avenues to invest into precious metals, US GoldMining Inc. might be something to consider and to follow in today's market. Do a little bit more investigation for yourselves, of course. But as you see in today's video, they offer quite a bit and they have quite a upside potential. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed what you saw and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content just like this, and ring that notification bell so you can see when I upload my next video. And as always, folks, have a great day.